Happy Friday, fam. We made it. Let's relax, recharge, recover, reset, get back at it. Get that rest you deserve. You earned it. Just got off work. Enjoyed my weekend down on Bridge Street in Huntsville. You know what it is at the main event. The work homies challenged me to bowling, so OG gotta show them what's crackling. I didn't bring my custom New Orleans Saints bowling ball, so I might be a little off my game today, but I'm gonna make it do what it do. Don't try to not do it now. On the clock, man. You can't not do it now. You gotta do it naturally. Get spared. It's kind of close to Thanksgiving.
Hey, you got your rhythm now. Yeah, I feel like he's been hustling. You got your rhythm now. Let's get a strike.
And just know those 3 sets.
Great.
What are they doing in that video?
Gotta straighten out.
Video and there's a bunch of dudes doing this.
Start over.
Oh shit.
You're taking off more shit.
Came out of the ring. Well, I can
The one ring.
You fuck you.
$117.
Hey. Ain't no fucking way, bro.
Oh, no turkeys tonight. No turkey. Let's see what it says.
This was cooked. Oh, that's bloody. You put ketchup on your eggs?
Desperado.
Saved it.
130. Oh, snap T. Man, I couldn't see in there with the black light, so they whooped my butt. I lost both games. First game, I was horrible. Second game, I did a little bit better, but I still lost. Really weird. They got better the more they drank. So it is what it is. But we had a good time. co-worker outing. We probably gonna do it again next week. They want to go axe throwing. I don't know how I feel about that, but I'll let you know. We'll see how it goes. See y'all later, man.